Theta US dollar medium TRM support usually stayed at 92 cents in a non-intrusive way, and the present trading volume of Theta company usually stands at 15,653,155 in a non-intrusive way. Theta company is currently valued at 75 cents. Bull control Theta's most recent price movements in a very important way. July 2023. In this video, we'll show you how to take the Theta organization cost exam for now or a week from now, and we'll try to answer most of these questions. We'll also try to explain some things that aren't clear. Theta organization, for the most part, has a cost plan that is more or less short-term. A very smart venture Theta organization's support and opposition levels, etc., are important because they can help us talk about the economy in a non-intrusive way before we get too deep into the Theta technical exam. Market research shows that in the last 24 hours, there has been a loss of 1.84, bringing the total cryptocurrency market to $1,195,618,921,722. This shows that the Theta organization is buy and sell valued at 75 cents, or so they thought. The total trading volume remains at 240,775,794,794. Most of the time against what most people think Bitcoin's share of the entry market is 49.56%, while Ethereum's strength is 16.33%. This is a big difference, and it's what caused Bitcoin's price to drop to $30,513.42 after a 0.19% drop. This is a big deal for other digital currencies, as Ethereum's value has dropped by 0.51% to $1,915.50 in the last 24 hours. XRPD, especially local coin of XRP, is up by 1.54 and is currently trading at 48 cents. This shows that, before getting too deep into the Theta technical examination, we should talk about the current economic situation in a big way. Also, Coco's BCX went to 60 cents after losing 0.77 in value. In a very real way, these events show that the market is generally going in a really downward direction for a short time. Right now, the crypto market is going through a big, bad drop. Bitcoin has 49.56% of the market, while Ethereum has 16.33%. Theta organization support and resistance are important technical indicators that are usually used to find very important price levels where the trend can change. While I was writing this blog, BNB traded at 244.84 cents after a value change of 0.97 within the same time period. This shows that the very total trading volume in a real sense remains at 24,77,659,7794, or so they by enlarged thought supposing. Explaining how Theta US dollar medium-term support definitely stayed at 92 cents in a major way. Similarly, Theta US dollar medium-term resistance is a level where traders tend to become more active and stop the coin's price from moving in every practical sense. Theta organization's amounts of support and opposition are usually very much higher after that. Theta, the cost of putting Theta organization's plans into action. The real value of Theta is 75 cents, up 0.22. And the range is 1 day's trading volume for BTC is 15,653,155.00 US dollars, and the total market cap is 746,468,4498 US dollars. This is a huge difference, and it shows how different digital currencies like Ethereum are. Theta organization value test data cost examining 0 to 2 July 2023 over a 24-hour period revealed the following. Coco's BCX reached 60 cents after a 0.77% drop in value, and while this blog was being distributed, BNB traded at 244.84 cents after a 0.97% drop in value, showing that the total trading volume stayed at 247,765,794. Which is usually very big, We use pretty relative strength INDEX RSI moving fundamentally normal combination and uniqueness MACD backing levels obstruction levels different time span moving midpoints including certainly straightforward moving extremely normal small and dramatic moving kind of normal EMA to figure out how the Theta organization will change in the future. This shows that Bitcoin has 49.56% of the entry market, while Ethereum has most of the rest. The MACD arrow shows a real-time, especially cell-type signal because the MACD line is moving under the real signal line, which means, all things considered, that the market is moving in the direction of the real signal line. Bears are mostly on the lookout, as shown by the fact that the US dollar's medium-term support has mostly stayed at 92 cents and that the RSI is showing an oversold stage while trading at 29. The market is also trying to break out of the negative zone while showing a lot of negative strength, as shown by the fact that BNB traded at 244.84 cents while this blog was being posted, following a value chain. Bitcoin price prediction: BTC stays at $30,500 as the market waits for June inflation data. At the moment, the price of Bitcoin is $30,628, which is a rise of almost 0.5% from Wednesday, as the market waits for June's inflation figures to be released. The cryptocurrency market is on standby to see how it might affect Bitcoin's performance. Notably, CBOE has refiled 5 Bitcoin ETFs that now include Coinbase monitoring agreements. This adds to the growing interest in the cryptocurrency market and the new things that could happen in it. The crypto market is waiting for June's inflation data to come out. Inflation in the US is expected to drop to its lowest level in more than 2 years in June. But prices for core goods and services are still going up, which suggests that the Federal Reserve is likely to keep raising interest rates. Economists think that the consumer price index will slow to 3.1%, which would be the slowest rate since March 2021. This could make people more likely to think that the Federal Reserve will tighten its monetary policy, which could affect Bitcoin's performance as buyers look at how interest rates and inflationary pressures might change. Thoughts from Bybit's head financial engineer on predicting BTC price growth during rate slowdown. Chen thinks that the market price could go up in the fourth quarter, but a full-fledged bull market might not happen until 2024. For this to happen, rate hikes would have to stop. BTC would have to drop a lot, and legal questions would have to be answered. Even though these predictions were made, Bitcoin has stayed steady at around $30,000, which is a 100% rise since the beginning of the year. Notably, Bitcoin has done well even when the market is down, which suggests that experienced traders may have taken advantage of this. People are buying more